Good morning and welcome back to another edition of The Point for Wednesday, August 23rd. We see U.S. futures down a bit this morning with the Dow currently down about 66 points with the S&P down about 10. After yesterday saw solid gains across the board. The S&P 500 gained 1% as advances in technology led all of the sectors upwards. European markets stayed on the quieter side as the Stoxx Europe 600 index fell 0.3% this morning, where Germany and the UK traded flat with very minor losses. PMI for manufacturing rose in the euro area to 57.4 in August, as composite PMI also went higher. Other data signaled Germany's economy is growing faster than 2% for the first time since 2011, while French manufacturing unexpectedly rose. The MSCI Asia Pacific Index rose a minor 0.2%, led by small gains in most indexes from Japan, Hong Kong, and Korea, while Shanghai dipped a measly 0.1%. Toshiba is in talks to sell its chips unit to a group that includes Western Digital. The bid is said to come in around $17.4 billion, as Lowe's adjusted earnings came in at $157 per share, although that is slightly lower than most analyst expectations. The shares fell as much as 7% in early trading as Home Depot posted better same-store sales growth, though the outlook for Lowe's for the future still looked bright as a leader in retail. And bonds were practically unchanged, moving less than 1 basis point as 10-year treasuries sit at 2.21%. Crude oil continues to fluctuate, falling 0.3% to below $48 per barrel as U.S. stockpiles reportedly rose as OPEC struggles with production cuts. Gold continues its steady climb, up 0.1%, inching closer to the 1,300 mark as it sits around $1,287 per ounce. And the dollar fell a bit lower as the euro advanced from strong data reports in the region, and the pound fell to its weakest in over 7 weeks as the yen pushed higher, up 0.4%. Tomorrow marks the beginning of the meeting between central bankers in Jackson Hole as economies and currencies will search for solid ground to continue their climb, as we do expect some news to fluctuate some currencies. President Trump reiterated his desire to build the wall, claiming a government shutdown possible if that's what it takes. British Prime Minister Theresa May admitted the EU laws will continue to influence the UK even after the Brexit. An index tracking economic conditions has fallen to its lowest of the year as businesses become increasingly worried about the UK economy. Today we see new home sales due at 10 a.m., while at 9:45 we'll get a report on U.S. manufacturing and service PMIs. In the sports world, we do see that wishes do happen to come true, as Kyrie Irving got his wish to be shipped out of Cleveland as he was traded to the Boston Celtics for Isaiah Thomas along with a few others. And UFC light heavyweight champion Jon Jones failed a drug test that was taken before his championship win over Daniel Cormier. It remains uncertain, though, if he will be stripped of his title. Odell Beckham Jr. could miss the season opener against Dallas, while Le'Veon Bell tweeted he will join the team September 1st, the day after their final preseason game, as I see this as a good thing that Bell is waiting until after the preseason, definitely to avoid a Odell Beckham-like situation. That is it for us today on The Point for Wednesday, August 23rd, and we hope you have a great day.